Hi guys, welcome to Intro to Ag. This is the remote learning version, so we're a little different than normal this year, but I'm excited to have you in my class. My name's Mrs. Kraft and I'm going to be your instructor. I'd like to go through a little slideshow. Typically on the first day of school, I like to tell you a little bit about myself by you actually guessing and kind of playing a game with it. So there's 4 quick questions about me, so see how much you can do on your own and I'll tell you about myself as we go. All right, let's get started. All right, question 1. It's an easy one because it was on the last slide. What is my name? So you've got 4 options there: Miss Kraft, Mrs. Kraft, Mrs. Kraft, or Hey You. All right, so my name's spelled a little funny with 2 F's, but it is Mrs. Kraft, Krafft, which will be important as you're typing in my email that you get my last name spelled correctly, or I won't get your messages. Question 2. Where did I go to college to become a teacher? You have some options here: K-State, Fort Hays State, UNL, or ANC, or A&B. All right, so if you guessed A and B, you were correct. I went to Fort Hays State for 1 year, and I changed majors, and so I ended my undergrad at K-State with a degree in ag education, and now I'm back getting my master's actually at Fort Hays State. So I have been to both of those universities for my schooling. Next question, question 3. What year of teaching am I starting? We got choices of 4th, 10th, 9th, or 5th. All right, so this is my 10th year teaching. I've been at Northern Valley all 10 years. So if you picked 10th, you were correct. Question 4, how many children do I have? 0, 1, 2, or 3? I have 2. I have a daughter who's 6 and a son who is 1.5. And you'll probably hear some about them when we have our hangout meetings and I get to talk to you a little more one-on-one. So how'd you do? Let's see. There's no grade or anything, just for fun. All right, so I want to talk a little bit about this class and how it's going to be set up. This is new to me and you, so we can work through this together. I pulled a lot of this information directly off of the course syllabus, which is posted on your Google Classroom. So you can always go back and reference any of this information that way later. I did want to tell you a little bit about the class to get started though. So Intro to Ag is an entry-level course into all the pathways included in the Agriculture, Food, and Natural Resources career cluster. So the state has career areas set up. Intro to Ag kind of starts all those in this area and what I teach. So the purpose of this class is to give you a small glimpse into the many parts of the ag industry. So we'll do a little bit of everything in this class, kind of give you a preview of what is to come if you continue in these pathways. All right, there's going to be 6 units. It's a semester-long class, half a credit. It is required for you to graduate from Northern Valley to have Intro to Ag. So the units I have outlined for you, we'll talk just about general agriculture to start with. What is it? Why it's important. Then we'll move into soybean production, get a little bit of plant science in that one. We'll learn about FFA and agriculture education, the history, how it can benefit everybody. We'll learn parliamentary procedure, which is how to effectively run a meeting. We'll do a dairy cattle evaluation. That's the picture that got chosen for this one. How are cows put together? We'll do a little animal science. And then through all of them, we do a little bit of exploring careers. And then we'll finish the course up with a unit on careers in ag. Delivery method, the way that I plan to teach you this, there'll be Google Hangout meetings, which you'll get participation points for. There'll be assignments given, kind of like a worksheet would have been regularly. And then we'll do projects, which are a little bigger assignments. And then you'll have an exam for each unit and a final. Please print and read your syllabus. All of the information is there, so make sure you learn that well. And lastly, never hesitate to contact me. Here's my email address, my phone number. I'm available every day from 8 to 9, Monday through Thursday. I'm so excited, and I'll get to know you all more soon.